That is one of the coolest things I've ever fucking seen. Just gnarly. That is so freaking cool. I have never seen anything like that before. I've lived in Florida for a while, and I've been on a lot of flights out of Florida, but I've never seen that, and that is flippin' Julio. And my name's not even Julio. Awesome possum, and I'm more of a raccoon person. A little bit. I'm just joking. I like raccoons and opossums the same. They're both lovely creatures. That is literally making my life right now. That is so flippin' cool. And literally right over here, sunshine. Sunshine. And then storm, right there. Just a little storm. What looks little, it's probably not little. It's probably quite large. And look at how gray and dork it is. That is so cool. I'm not so mad at the day anymore because this is literally making my life. Yeah. Ooh, we're turning towards it. Look at sunshine, pretty, blue skies, whatever. Storm.